Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do an in-depth review of Commission Hero. I've purchased this and I want to show you everything that you'll need to know about it. That includes proof of purchase, proof of students, and what is actually in Commission Hero. This is going to be an in-depth review. I'm going to give you all the information you need to know, so please stay till the end of this video. There's going to be a lot of good stuff here. First, the proof of purchase, which I will show you right now. Let's take a look. So you can see my proof of purchase right here. You can see that I purchased it, Commission Hero products, and you can see all the information. So I actually picked this up and I'm excited to show it to you. So right here, I'm going to take a look, and here we can see everything inside Commission Hero. The getting started, Facebook setup, resources and tools, and the 6 weeks to success, which I have highlighted right now. And this is the free traffic training, which I'm inside. And also I'm going to show you the proof of the results I got in 2021 and the proof of what I'm doing currently. So you're going to see proof of everything that you will need to know. And why this is important is you can actually see that it works. It's not just theoretical. I'm not just saying, hey, this might be a good product, or, you know, this product might work. I actually have the proof right here. And as you can see, my receipt date when I picked it up, it was August 16th, 2021. So I've had it for quite a while and I've been able to do some pretty amazing things with it. So let me just jump into ClickBank here, give you a little preview. And here you can see my ClickBank account. I'm not just saying that it is working. We can actually see the proof of the reporting right here. So I'm just going to take a look there, and we can actually see all the paychecks that I've got. And what's exciting is you can see the payments that I've got, and it's quite a lot. Like, take a look at that. $116,784.64. So I've been crushing it in 2021, and I'm looking forward to crushing it in 2022. What's exciting here is you can see all the different payments sent, and you can see this is undoubtedly working, and it's working very, very well. One thing I love about this is that anybody can replicate this, and we can see the sum of the paychecks I've got for 2021. This is possible to do, and of 2022. And I'm excited to see that you can check out all this and you can see that you can get the same results. So that's my results in 2021 of what Commission Hero did. And this is just grabbing it in August and the success I had there. So there's also the proof of what I'm doing currently, and that's really, I think, what's important, is that you can see that it is still working, it is still relevant. And currently I'm still getting payments in 2022. Not only that, but it actually is working consistently. So we can see the different payments that I'm getting, and we can also see what's going on here. So if I go ahead and reload this, we can see the snapshot I'm getting right now, and at the time I'm recording this, you can see what's going on in the current week. I am getting paid. This is still working currently. The best part about this is that it can work for you too, and you can get results like these by following these steps. So this is still working. This isn't something that I just picked up last year and then it's fallen out of style. I'm actually still getting consistent results, and that's also very important. So for 2021, I crushed it, and proof of current results, I'm doing quite well as well. So what else are you going to learn? Actually, slow is fast. What I mean by that is it's not something that's going to happen overnight. It's not something that you're just going to rush into. Actually, taking your time is going to be extremely beneficial when it comes to this. So slow is fast in the sense that if you take the time to do this correctly, you will get a lot of commissions fast, as you have just seen. But you want to take your time. You want to make sure that you implement every detail. You don't skip over stuff. You don't half do things, and you make sure that everything is done correctly. And that's quite simply what I mean by slow is fast, and that's what you'll need to do. And that's true for most products. If you take the time to learn the method and do it correctly, then you will see the results. So if we take a look at getting started here, we can see everything, and there's a lot to this. There is affiliate marketing, ad accounts, ClickBank. There's a long road to understanding everything, claiming the right offers, finding your ad message, and setting up your landing page. But once that's done, it's done, and you can start to get commissions, as I've just shown. Not only that, but you can start to get them quite consistently. But you want to take time to set that up, to do the Facebook setup. That's definitely something as well, like we're taking a look at here. You want to go through each step, through each video. You don't want to go to getting started per se and then go down to additional training or resources and tools. You want to go in order and implement everything step by step, piece by piece. We can also take a look at the tracking and scaling, where you get your spreadsheet, how to get tracking links, tracking IDs, and we can see everything that you need to do here. Resources and tools, how to set up the landing pages, the swipes, the emails, everything that you need. And then we can also take a look at all the featured offers that they have here and the different ones that are in the spotlight. And this is going to save you a lot of time and effort. You still want to take your time and go through it properly though, and make sure everything's done right. And we also have the image pack. They even give you all the images that you're going to need right here, as well as currently how to do that. And then they also have the Spy Hero, how to use that. And also you can go ahead and take a look at the different resources and tools, where you can see like the offer spotlight, for example, this offer for like Metacore. How would you go ahead and promote it? I can show you this right here. So I'm going to go ahead, go to Google and type in Digistore 24. That's a vendor place just like ClickBank, except it's international. And the nice thing about this is you can start to promote products like Metacore or other products here and start to get consistent commissions. So you know that these products inside here are still working, and you know that they're still relevant. So it takes a lot of the work out of finding the right products, because as affiliates, sometimes it's tough to find the right products that are going to convert and convert consistently. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Digistore 24 here. Click login. And as I said, this is Marketplace. If you haven't heard of it, it's very similar to ClickBank. After I've logged into Digistore 24, we can see all the information right here. We can see all my earnings, everything like that. You can see my total earnings that I've got from Digistore 24 as an affiliate. So I've done quite well here with this course. And more importantly, what I'm going to do is show you right here in the currently how to go ahead and do all this. So we can actually see how this works. You can see that I'm implementing this on ClickBank. You can see I'm implementing this on Digistore 24. More importantly, this will show you how to do it as well, so you can get results like these. And we can also take a look at the Spy Hero walkthrough, how that looks and how to spy on different offers, how to understand that. And that has all the information that you're going to need. Also, if you get lost or there's any questions, they do have the inner circle coaching. That's very important. They have the image pack, so you don't have to go out and get images somewhere else. Everything you need is inside of Commission Hero. You don't have to go find external sources, and you don't have to go to hundreds of different websites to get everything you need. It's all right here. The coaching's right here. The 6 weeks to success is right here, and the inner circle is right here if you have any questions. And we can take a look here at the Facebook setup. This is going to explain how to set up your business, how to do everything like that. And that's all going to be covered also as well in the 6 weeks to success live event. And we can see all of the videos right here. Mindset, picture. And if I go ahead and play this, you can kind of see what they're talking about. But they go in depth into everything. There's also the 6 weeks to success training. You can go ahead and play that. They're long videos and they have a lot of information as well. So that's why I mean slow is fast as well. You want to take time and go through this. It is going to take some time. It's not going to be overnight. It will take 6 weeks to success, most likely, but you want to go through these 6 weeks to success, these videos in succession from first to start. You want to make sure that you go through all the little details and get everything that you need, because there's going to be a lot of things here before you launch your first campaign, and you want to make sure that you have all the steps properly implemented. So that is slow is fast. Now here, I might want to hear personally, what do I like about it? And why do I think it's useful? First of all, it actually does produce real results. I actually got results from it, and it's easy to follow. As you saw, the videos are laid out there. They have a lot of information. This isn't some course that, I bought that the information goes stale after a while. What I like about it is it really does bring results. As you can see here, you can see not only does this bring results, but it actually is still working. And I have the Commission Hero Facebook coaching group. So if I run into any problems or any issues, I can jump in here, ask questions, get help. They give me all the tools that I need. And they have all of the guides here inside. Not only that, but it's a group of 13,300 members right now and continuously growing. So everything you need is in the Facebook group. You can ask questions. You can go over what other people are doing. Even if you get stuck somewhere, somebody can help you. So it's not like you're doing this completely on your own. There is help, there is assistance, and that is definitely coming from the Commission Hero Facebook group coaching. That's what I really love about it. It works. It takes time to implement, but it does work. Not only that, but you get all the help you can get from the Facebook coaching group. Everything is here. Even the media is here. You can see that everybody is really doing amazing with this. You can ask questions. I have the files here. And a lot of people do ask questions, different questions. I have all the different files that I need. So if I want to see something for how they're pulling text or how they're getting the information out there, I can. And there's even guides. So they have guides on how do you set up your Digistore? How do you set up your ClickBank? How do you set up yourself for success on Facebook? Literally everything is there as well. So the Facebook group, the videos are great, and it actually brings results, as you can see here. A lot of people were here. They're being welcomed into the group, and a lot of people probably have questions, and you can even see results that other people are getting as well. It's not just me. It's not just me doing commission here. You can see that people need to overcome some blocks, but really now they're crushing it. And you can crush it as well. If you're taking a look at all this, everybody is super helpful, super supportive, and that's also something that's really, really exciting. A lot of times I've got maybe a Facebook group with different products, and I take a look and the information's not all there, the information I need. Here, not only that, but it's a supportive Facebook group, and it's very, very... Now, what are some of the cons of the program? What are some things that might cause you difficulty? Because I know you're going to say, if it has pros, it definitely has to have cons. What are the negative aspects, and what are some roadblocks you'll run into? Because that's definitely something to consider with Commission Hero. So there are... When it comes to cons of the program, I will say this. It does work. It is giving me results, but there are a few things that you'll probably need to consider. And there are a few things that will give you difficulty. One thing is that sometimes it takes a little bit to get everything set up, like the business manager account. You can have issues with Facebook. You can also have issues, trying to get in or do things like that. So sometimes when you're trying to set up stuff with Facebook or an external source, you could run into issues. The business manager running the ads, things like that. It can definitely be a roadblock, and that has been a roadblock for me and a roadblock for a lot of people. So that's some of the cons of the program, getting everything set up, especially the Facebook stuff. The Facebook stuff definitely can give issues with the business ads manager, and it can also give you issues if say you run an ad and you used the wrong word, and then they go ahead and block the account. You have to figure that out and get access and do everything like that. So keep that in mind. There are some cons, there are some roadblocks. Now, what can cause you difficulty? One thing I'll definitely stress is when you're doing this, or when you're doing anything else, you have to keep in mind that you're going to be using external sources like Facebook ads, and some of these ads, as you can see my ads here, sometimes they'll have issues with the ads and they won't necessarily convert as well. And that's something that you can run into that can also be a potential stumbling block. So keep that in mind. Sometimes I've had issues with ads, and sometimes the ad doesn't perform as expected. As we can see here, I posted this ad here. My mother-in-law, hosted us for the holidays, and honestly couldn't hide my assortment of her newfound, and then I have my image right there. Sometimes what will happen is it won't get the reach that it needs, or it'll get blocked. So keep that in mind, that sometimes Facebook ads, especially when you're using them, aren't going to perform as well, or they may have issues. So Some of my personal bonuses. Why should you get this from me? My first bonus is ad copy that made me 100,000. As you just saw, that's something that's really powerful, and you're only going to get that from me. So make sure when you pick this up, you get this bonus, because that ad copy you can use for your ads, do a killing, and I'll also give you ad image and video content that gave me 100K. So you don't need to type anything. You don't need to figure out anything. You don't need to hire an ad specialist or a copywriter. You can see right here the proof is in the pudding. I've done it, and I've got the consistent commissions on ClickBank. So if you pick up this bonus from me, not only do you get the ad copy, but you get the images and videos I use as well. Also, my done for you landing page that made me 100K. So I'm giving you everything I used, literally everything I used, and the ClickBank product that did it. So you don't have to figure out anything. You don't have to figure out what product will convert. You don't have to figure out the landing page. You don't have to figure out the copy. You don't have to figure out the image and video. So you can find all of that at my affiliate link down below. Make sure you pick this up from me. You can take a look at other vendors, but when you find that my affiliate link is the best, that my bonuses are the best, go ahead and pick that up down below. Remember, you're getting my copy, my video, my images, my landing pages, and everything you're going to need. That's my ad copy that made me 100,000, as I just showed on ClickBank. The image and the video that made me 100,000. My done for you landing page, my ClickBank product as well. So you don't need to search for anything. It's all done for you. So when you pick up Commission Hero, you're going to get all the steps you need. But when you need to find the right product, I'll show you exactly what to do, how to do it, and make it convert. So you can just sit back, relax, and get those commissions, and you don't have to go through the work I had to do this. So again, this is at my affiliate link down below. Make sure to click on that. It's in the video description. Help you get back ads account 95% if there's also an issue. And if you have any problems, you have any questions, you have anything you want to bring up, you can email me at support@easyprofitformula.com. So make sure if you have any questions, email me at this email address, support@easyprofitformula.com. My affiliate link is down below, guys. In case you have any questions, make sure to reach out and email me. I'll be happy to answer anything or any questions or queries that you have. And know, once again, that you're getting all your copy done for you, your image and video, the landing page, and the product that made me 100K, as I just showed on ClickBank. And that is it for my Commission Hero review. I really want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch this, taking the time to go through this with me, and I hope this was helpful to you. Remember, you can implement this, you can get results. And with my bonuses, it's going to make it even easier because you don't have to do all the work to figure out everything. I'm literally giving you everything in a box. So I hope you enjoyed this video review. If you did, please make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching.